I recently bought these Liberty 5 earbuds to add to my soundcore collection. In the first part of this video, I'm going to share the many things I like about them and the one thing I don't. Then, if you care to stick around, I'll talk about why I have so many of them, what I use them for, and talk about the arrows that I've added to a few of the cases. The Liberty 5s compare favorably to my A40s. Out of the box, the sound is a bit richer with the A40s and cleaner with the Liberty 5s. However, you can adjust the sound of either with the accompanying app. The noise cancellation is notably better with the Liberty 5 set. The one thing I hated is how you control these earbuds. With previous soundcore earbuds, you control things like volume and pause by tapping on them. With the Liberty 5 earbuds, you need to squeeze the stems. For me, that is a less certain motion and tends to disrupt how they're sitting in my ears. So, why so many, you ask? I've never been comfortable wearing normal earbuds because they won't stay in my ears. I bought the Life Dot 2s a few years ago because they come with wings as part of their ear tips and would stay in my ears fairly well. I solved that problem for other earbuds with some ear tips I found and have provided a link to them in the written part of the review. I use the Space One headphones when I'm on planes or trains because of their outstanding noise cancellation, great sound, and a set of features that lend themselves to traveling on planes and trains. Thanks to their compact size and some Velcro, I keep my A40s in a small pack that I frequently carry with me when I'm going places or doing things. Perhaps my most used soundcore earbuds are my Sleep 10s and Sleep 20s. They are perfectly designed for use while falling asleep, and I use them just about every night. The Sleep 20s live on my nightstand. I keep the older Sleep 10s in my travel bag so I don't have to remember, and potentially forget, to pack the other pair when I'm heading out. And what about those arrows, you ask? Well, they serve several purposes. Firstly, they show which direction to push the top of the case to slide open. They also point to where the charging port is. And finally, I made the arrows from glow-in-the-dark tape. That comes in real handy when I need to find the case in a dark room without turning on the lights. I hope you found this information useful, and thank you very much.
Usándolo, supongo que puedo emitir una opinión, ¿no? Acerca de cómo funciona, cómo me fue a mí. Los audífonos suenan bien, están bonitos, se sienten bien y aíslan bien el sonido. La verdad es que sí me gustan, están bonitos. Por el otro lado, lo malo, se podría decir un poquito engorroso más que nada. Se ve bonita la caja, sobre todo el material se ve bien. Sin embargo, a la hora de sentarlo sí se siente bien barato y esto. Más que nada la tapita esta, que igual si no te importa, los audífonos suenan bien, si no te importa esa tapita que a la hora de manipularlo, ya sea en una mochila, en tu bolsillo, se te trabe o se te haga esto, o de repente se te queda así. Da igual, ya me ha pasado que lo meto en la bolsa y de repente como que se me esfuerza un poquito aquí, porque se ve bien sencillo. De hecho está sencillo esta cosa, la tapa. La verdad es que sí es engorroso. Si no te importa fuera de eso, son buenos audífonos.
E agora a gente tem também essa nuance envolvendo o Vitor Roque com o Danilo lá no início da fase ofensiva do ataque do Flamengo, que culminou com o pênalti do segundo gol.
E foi isso que o Palmeiras mais reclamou.
Perfeito, Gabriela. Samuel Lino dominando aqui pela meia esquerda. Pegando mais uma vez para o Alexandre. Tá marcada a falta.
har pratat hela morgonen.